These are the two elevators here at the Bridge, I don't know, Convention Center. We have a Vector. Here it comes. Here we got this one. Those don't work. Going down to one. Close the door. Look at that. Warning. Oh, that bell's annoying. Hey, let's go up to 6. The up arrow works. The door close button does not work. This attraction. I'm going to send this down. There goes that one. While we're up here, let's get a view out of here real quickly. Not much for a view, but here we got this one. Yeah, these lanterns don't work. Let's go down to 1. Let's shut the door. And it's missing a Montgomery label. Let's go up to 6. Let's get a look at the cab view. These elevators are identical. Alright, let's go. It's a very basic cab, unfortunately. I have to say, it is great for a garage elevator. The bell doesn't work for some reason. Oh, we're stopping. What? Okay, that was weird and scary. That was so weird. I'm setting this one down and I'm getting the other one because that one's starting to creep me out. I want this one to come because that one is literally creeping me out. Get a look out here. I think there's a hotel right there. It is raining. Go down 1. And that's where we'll end. Here's your indicator. Lanterns on both sides. Vector fixtures. And a built-in phone. There it goes. That's it.